Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this lecture, we are going to talk about Tinea capitis, another kind of fungal infection in our arsenal. What is Tinea capitis? Let's start with this infection and cause of this Tinea capitis infection. Fungal infection usually caused by dermatophytes. Simpler, dermatophytes are the fungi that loves to grow in our skin cells. What is the name of the disease caused by these dermatophytes? Dermatophytes can cause many diseases, but this is Tinea capitis that we are going to talk about. Let's talk about the reason for spreading of the Tinea capitis infection. Direct contact with the infected individuals or items such as combs, hats or pillows can spread this. Fungal infections can spread very easily because there are things that we share between our family members that we even don't think about. For example, we share pillows for sleeping. Sharing hats is also very uncommon these days, but we share combs. So if you share the comb and also pillow, there's a chance that the contamination would happen. The fungi can spread from one infected individual to the healthy individual. The next one that we want to talk about are symptoms. What are the symptoms of Tinea capitis? So symptoms of Tinea capitis, let's see. First of all, itchy, scaly skin in that area or inflamed patches on the scalp. So basically, in very simple words, we can see the Tinea capitis cap. You see, cap is the top of the bottle. So it's the infection of your head. So you can clearly see the image in the background. So itchy, scaly and inflamed patches can be visible on the scalp very clearly. That is the symptom. And the second important symptom, if we talk about hair loss in that affected area, because once that area is affected by fungal infection, no hair growth is visible from that particular area. These are the two important symptoms. And the third one is black dots on the scalp. Those black dots are nothing but the broken hair parts that are visible in that infected area. So these are three important symptoms. The next one are the treatments. We are going to mention you the Indian brand name of antifungal drugs that works very well against Tinea capitis. So let's talk about them. So the first one that we want to talk about here again, it's completely different kind of antifungals. Griseofulvin. Griseofulvin is used. Example brand name Griseovin FP, Griso or Gris-ODT are the type of drugs that can be utilized. The next set of drugs that we can utilize here, terbinafine. Example Terbifos, Tiza or Zimig are the brand names in India. This can be utilized. The third type, itraconazole. Example Canditral, okay, Sporanox as well as Itrali. So Canditral, Sporanox and Itrali are the Indian brand names of itraconazole drugs that are available. Even many other varieties are also available that can be provided. So these are the treatments of Tinea capitis. So I believe you have a clear idea about the Tinea capitis reason, Tinea capitis symptoms and Tinea capitis treatment. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.